Oh yes, you guys. We got the 5-inch straight Yeezy. Four-inch down mic to the 5-inch straight back. See how she sounds.